one aspect that has stood out in the build-up to the Vaccine for All campaign is how there has been so much of disinformation. And I'll tell you why I'm asking you about the vaccine hesitancy. Now, I'll tell you an example. I have the CoWIN app open in front of me. It's live. I have it open here, right in front of me, right? There are some states, okay, when you look for example, if I go to Maharashtra, I'm just saying live, when I click on Maharashtra and, for example, I click a city like Mumbai, right, with a population of nearly 20 million, there is no vaccination center available for booking. Try this, you know, when I click on Delhi, okay, I'm going to click on Delhi right now. When I click on, let's say, for example, South Delhi, when I search, there are so many centers that are available, slots are available. There are some states. Now, ironically, you know, the government in Delhi is saying that we don't have vaccines. I don't want to get into the politics of it, but I'm saying that as far as vaccine hesitancy is concerned, it is real. And even though vaccines are still available in several cities, people are not really booking their slots or going for the vaccination.
So yes, vaccine hesitancy has been...
Yeah, after Dr. Soin, if you don't mind, Zafar.
So vaccine hesitancy has been very much a real phenomenon across the world, Niranjan, not just India.
Yeah.
But as the infection rates have surged, there is less and less place for hesitancy. The so-called anti-vaxxers have actually taken to vaccination in my own hospital, where there are about 6,500 people. Initially, about 2,000 of them didn't take vaccination. But over the subsequent 2 months, especially in the last 1.5 months, 99.98% people have actually vaccinated. So the vaccine hesitancy is obviously going down because everybody understands that vaccines prevent severe COVID disease and save lives. You may get mild infection after the vaccination, but certainly not severe disease and death. And that is a message that all of us healthcare workers have been trying to spread. And everybody must get that on board. There is no place for hesitancy anymore. But having said that, it's not just a phenomenon that happened in India. It happened everywhere in the world.
Hi everyone, this is Arnab Goswami and I want to talk about our digital platform Republic World, the fastest news destination which has got you covered on all fronts, be it politics, entertainment or sport. And the reason I want you to follow Republic World is because for far too long there has only been negativity about India on the digital medium. Republic World is my campaign against the negativity prevalent on social media and digital media. So for the first time, I offer you a choice. Get the content that builds the nation. Avoid the content and avoid everyone on digital media who speaks against the nation. And do not forget to download the Republic World app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching. Together, let's kill the negativity against India on the digital media. Let's ensure that it's truly nation first, no compromise.